As someone who is passionate about responsible application of AI, I'd like you to just imagine yourself as a parent who could finally control how your children use and when they use AI. Isn't that crazy? Now, guess what? ChatGPT has just made that possible, and this happened just a few weeks ago. And in this short tutorial, I want to show you how exactly the parental control feature works on ChatGPT. Who knows? Universities and libraries or institutions of higher learning, they may start adopting this approach. Who knows? Let's go into it right now, and I'll show you how this works. Here you can see I'm logged into my account as Sylvester. I am the parent in this case, so I'm playing a role as the parent. So once you go into your ChatGPT account settings, you'll now notice a new section called the parental control or the family control settings. From there, you can add a child's account by sending them an invitation. So in this case, I'm the parent and I would like to add my child. And I'll use another account called CECITech Concepts as my demo child. Okay, so once that's done, ChatGPT confirms that the invitation has been sent successfully, just like we can see right here. So now let's switch over to the child side and see what it looks like. So I've logged into CECITech Concepts, assuming to be the child, and you see my email here shows that I've received an invitation from my parent, who is Sylvester. All I need to do is accept this invitation, and you can see the terms that come with it, and you just take your time to read all this information here so that you get to know what's about. Now, what this means is that your parents will have a level of control over your usage of ChatGPT. And just as we find parental control on Netflix and on DSTV, but I know some teenagers may not want to do this, you understand, privacy concerns and all that. But if you grow up in my area and you not agree accept this kind of invitation, or more, he go shock you how your parents go respond, as in it go shock you. But that's by the way, Joe. And once you've accepted, the child's account is automatically linked to the parent's account. Now let's go back, or before we go back, let's see. I can still explore the account settings from this side, but with limited control, right? Because now my parents can now manage everything that happens here for me. So let's go back to the parents dashboard and let's see how interesting it becomes. So from here, I can now set permissions for my child's ChatGPT use. For example, I can control when they can use ChatGPT, what features are enabled, and even apply usage limits or restrictions. For instance, take a look at this, just like you see me doing here. In this case, I'm trying to say that Setitech, my child, cannot use ChatGPT between the hours of 11 a.m. to 12 noon every day. So you can imagine how useful this can be for parents who want to balance screen time or monitor AI use responsibly. So now let's test what I've just done and see how it looks like on my child's side of the screen. So I'll log back into Sesitech Concepts account. Remember, this is the child's account, and this is the child who is trying to use ChatGPT in the hours where it's forbidden in the home. And there it is. ChatGPT is blocked. It's saying it's break time and you can't do anything at this point. So it tells me I can't access it yet because my parent has set a time restriction. And that's really brilliant. Simple, effective, and very respectful of responsible AI use. Wow. And I think this is a really smart move from OpenAI. So let me ask it what it thinks about this whole new introduction. So let me type this and see what I'll get. Okay, okay. All right. So let's see. Wow. I forgot it's actually break time and I can't use AI to get this information that I'm trying to get. So, but just think about what this could mean in education and what this could mean for the library environment. What if teachers or librarians could use similar settings to help guide how students use AI tools like ChatGPT, encouraging learning, but also promoting responsibility and balance? I'd really love to hear what you think about this. Okay, since I'm not able to get an answer from ChatGPT at this moment. All right, welcome back. I'd love to hear what you think about this. And would you support such an approach? Or do you think AI should remain fully open to everybody? Now, please drop your comments in the comment section. I'll be reading every single one of them, and please share this video and click on the subscribe button. Thank you very much, and bye. See you in my next video.